Connecting your In-Situ Water meter to the Field Data Collection app. If you're using In-Situ Water meters to collect groundwater data when low-flow sampling, you can connect your meter to the Field Data Collection app to have groundwater data automatically upload to the platform. Start by connecting your meter to your mobile device through its Bluetooth functionality. This is typically done by inverting your meter 180 degrees. This will activate the meter's Bluetooth to show up in your list of Bluetooth-enabled devices. Once the Bluetooth connection has been established, open the Field Data Collection app and enter a sampling event. Inside a sampling event, you will see a button on the top right next to the three-dot menu. This is your meter connection button. Click this button. A pop-up will now show a list of meters connected to your device. Select the meter that is currently connected to your device. If you've only connected one meter to your device, there will only be one option. Hit Accept. You are now ready to start low-flow sampling with your connected meter. To start collecting data, head to begin the sample collection process as normal. The first sample collection screen for low-flow sampling is the elevation page. Fill in all relevant data entry spots here and tap Continue. The next page is your equipment data collection page. Filling in this data correctly will automatically calculate your total volume and minimal interval time. You can also manually change your interval time by tapping on the data entry point. When all data is entered, tap Continue. The next page is your low-flow stabilization page. As you can see, when connected to a meter, your first reading starts automatically. The pH, ORP, conductivity, dissolved oxygen, temperature, and turbidity readings are entered automatically from the meter. The countdown timer will also begin counting down to your next reading time. When the countdown reaches 0, the readings will be entered again. As you can see here, when readings have reached one round of stabilization, it appears highlighted in green. We need 3 rounds of stabilization to continue. On the next round, we see the data points that have reached EPA stabilization levels are now highlighted in green and emboldened. A few more rounds and we should have everything stabilized. Remember, these readings are taken automatically. Occasionally, you may have to update your flow rate and depth to water, as the meter does not catch these parameters. Let's skip ahead to the point of full stabilization. When all parameters are good, the text at the bottom of the screen changes from red to green, saying field parameters are now stable. If you were unable to get all data points stable, you can tap the Bypass Stability Calculations button at the bottom to continue as well. You may now select the Collect Samples button where you will sign your name, take a selfie, and print bottle labels. Then you will be finished collecting data for this sample location. That is how you connect and collect data using your In-Situ Water meter on the SampleServe Field App.